Hey guys, how's it going? I have been needing to shoot this intro for so long. Right now it is around the end of October and most of the footage from this video was filmed near the end of September. So yeah, I just figured I would film it right now. It's been a pretty slow day in the kayak. I was able to get one on the frog, which you might see in like a random fish catch compilation that I post. But anyway, this video was pretty much me taking the first steps to try and become a better frog fisherman. Frog fishing has been something that I've always wanted to try. I've never had too much luck fishing topwater, nor have I had really any confidence fishing topwater. So I figured I'd buy a couple frogs, throw them around. This is my frog fishing setup, and I have a St. Croix Bass X rod. It's a 7.4 medium heavy. I got my frog right there. As you can see, it's a lunker hunt. And then I have that all on 45-pound braid. And anyone that's been wanting to get into frog fishing, let me tell you, it is some of the most fun I've ever had out on the water. Just seeing those bass blow up on it, I mean, it does not get much better than that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's start the video. I got it. Oh, it came off. Dang it. That was a good blow up. Jeez. I had him and then he got off. He was definitely on. But I gotta set that hook a little harder next time. Oh, I missed him. He hit it right there. Oh my gosh. Well, they're liking the frog. I just can't seem to get a good hook set in. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There we go. Oh, that's a good fish. There we go. On the frog. Nice. That's what we're looking for right there. That is a nice fish. Whew. Oh, this is awesome. So this actually isn't my first fish on a frog because I was able to get a couple off camera, but this being my first frog fish on camera is awesome. Whew, there we go. Nice little, maybe pound and a quarter. It's awesome. There he is. Ooh, he wants to go. Nice. Oh, I missed him. Dang it. I gotta remember to let him swallow it. Gotta give him that 2 seconds. Oh no, I thought he had it. Whoa, something big just blew up over there. Go check that out. Right here, look at this. What was that? Cast a little further away. See if we can... Oh no, he had it! What the heck? Dang, dude, my hookup ratio is so bad right now. Definitely gotta get a little better at frog fishing. maybe I'm still setting the hook too early. It's probably what it is. Ooh, that looked like a bigger fish right there. Just kind of swam off. I spooked it. Ooh. Oh! Dang it! There's another one. And I could have, like, swore I let that guy have enough time to eat it. Thought I had him. Oh, dang it. There's another one came out. Oop, did he miss it? Oh! I'm gonna switch up frogs. Dude, I can't with this one anymore. So I didn't switch up my frog. Instead, what I did is I tried to bend the hooks up a little bit more. So now, hopefully, that will help my hookup ratio. Because right now, it is quite bad. There we go. Oh, I got him. Well, there we go. I think it helped my hookup ratio. Look at that. Next cast. Oh, that is awesome. There's a frog right there. Let's go. Let's take him off over here. Alright guys, there we go. Good fish on the frog. Nice. There we go. Got him. First fish of the morning on the frog. There we go. Nice. All right. First fish of the morning right there on that frog. Let's go. Alright, I kind of really like the weeds on the outside more than I do on the inside. Just because I feel like more fish are going to be kind of staying on these outside weeds. There we go. Look at that. There we go. It's a little guy. Nice. That guy's crazy small. There we go, put another fish on the frog. Go. Nice, got him right off of that piece of wood. I figured there'd be one on it. There we go. Another good one on the frog. Nice. There we go. There we go, I got him. Oh, let's go. Nice. There is a good fish on the frog. There we go, guys. Look at that. Beautiful largemouth. These are around 2 pounds for sure. Hammered that frog right there. That is awesome. And there is that lunker hunt frog. Love it. There he goes. That was awesome.